Hey everybody, I have a card to share with you today, but it has a little bit of a twist. So my niece is going to actually be recreating this card that I had posted on my Instagram page, and it's also over on my website. And she had commented saying that it looked so easy to make. And so I thought it would be fun to give her all of the supplies and see if she can recreate it. And let me tell you, she did amazing. I did help her along more than I thought I was going to and more than I wanted to, but she definitely needed a little bit of guidance. And she has no card making experience or crafting really. She makes slime and like bracelets and things like that, but not paper crafting. So with that said, she did amazing. My husband couldn't really tell which was which, so that should tell you that she did an amazing job creating the card. So I am just showing you guys all of the supplies that I gave her, and all of the supplies will be listed down in the description box down below. And be sure to give this video a thumbs up and show her some love, and let's get into the video. I'll give you a hint. You start with this piece of paper. Oh, and you need extra water.
I have no clue what I'm doing.
So think of the supplies. Look at the supplies. So what could color it? The background.
These?
Uh-huh. The first step is to make the background, and she's using Strathmore watercolor paper, and she's spraying it with some water so that she can use the Tonic Aqua flow pens to create a watercolor effect. I think you need a little bit more water on the top.
What you're telling me?
There you go.
Oh, that makes more sense now.
All right, so this again is one of her first experiences doing any type of paper crafting, like watercoloring or anything related to this type of crafting. So she is using the Aquaflow pens, and the one that she's using is from the summer holiday, and it is a gorgeous color. And she was a little scared to start, and I had forgotten to tell her to kind of brush off on the side to get that color to kind of come up to the tip of the brush again. But she's just going at it, spritzing more water, and it turned out amazing. I actually kind of like the lighter one better than the one that I created. And she did a great job.
And then it cuts it
And
when
then
you
you
roll it.
roll.
Mm-hmm.
I think I've used this once before.
It cuts the design out.
Woof.
After she cut out the sentiment from Tonic Studios, she's now using Glimmer paste in Moonstone. And normally I am not a glitter person, but this stuff is amazing. I mostly don't like glitter because it gets all over the place and you find it like years later and you're like, I haven't even had glitter in my house for years, but yet here is some still in my carpet and in my eyeball. And yeah, anyways, she's using a Tonic Studio spatula to spread it out. The stencil is from Catherine Pooler, and it's just a fun kind of background stencil. It gives it a nice texture for this card. All right, so now she's just going to lift that up, and she did a great job with adding all of the paste with the stencil. She's never done this before, and I kept in some of what she was saying because I thought it was pretty funny how she's like, I have no idea what I'm doing, and just, yeah. Again, this is just a fun type of video, something different, and I think I'm going to have something else with her on my channel, I think it would be fun to do a live stream where all of the viewers kind of tell her what to use and then kind of guide her on how to use it. I think that would be fun for those that like the live streams. All right, back to the card. So she is now going to cut some foam almost to the size of the panel that she had watercolored so that it pops up, gives the card a little bit of dimension. And now she's going to add that specialty paper from Tonic Studios onto the bottom. It's a really pretty red color. And Abby was cutting all of the extra papers with her wavy scissors, and she wasted a lot of my paper. I was so mad, but we ended up able to use one of them on this card. So I did end up cutting out the Celebrate a few more times with some cardstock, layered them on top of each other to pop it up like I did on my own card. And I did that part because it is so, this die is so intricate. It did take a little bit of time to do, but it is well worth it because it looks really nice popped up instead of just laying flat on the card. And after we add the Celebrate die cut, she's now adding the little stars, and these are, let me grab them, from Nuvo, from Tonic Studios. They are Mermaid Parade stars. They are amazing, and they're super tiny. She's using the Deluxe adhesive to adhere them down, and a jewel picker to pick them up. And she did say that this was the easiest part, although I think I'm probably going to have her in my craft room more than in the past. Normally she just kind of plays with Abby and Audrey, which is her sister, when she's over, but I think now she's getting older, and I think it's amazing that she is showing interest in creating cards and doing paper crafting. And that is going to complete her card. Didn't she do amazing? I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you are new to my channel, I hope you subscribe and hit that bell so you're notified every time that I upload a video. Also follow me on Instagram, Tiffany_Solorio_creates, and leave me a comment. I love reading them, and thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys later. Bye.